in the next 5 years, 50% of these technically trained folks will be retired. And those jobs that they're holding down, such as with SMUD or the FAA or PG&E or Intel or NEC, those jobs need to be filled by someone who is technically competent. There are very few training programs anymore that teach enough of the basic skills so that the student can comprehend or cope with the advanced skills needed in a piece of radar equipment, a piece of computer guidance or control equipment, or communication gear. There are 46 certified training sites. We are one of those in the United States. And that means our program has to maintain a rigor and completeness to continue to supply those kinds of technicians that the FAA really requires. The program with the FAA started by them selecting out 2 interns every year, and after a 600 to 1,000 hour internship, converting them over to a full-time technician. The full-time technicians then are federal employees at the airports around the Western Hemisphere here in the United States.
It's something that will keep me stable income, because I have family, and because I've been on and off, doing all kinds of work, just didn't see any future in doing that. So FAA is a big step for me to be stable. That's really important for me.
The money's good. Right now we just get student pay, but when we get converted over to full-time, the money will be there. But the benefits of it is the work environment we get. We work in the weather, outside. We work inside if you want. It depends. If you're afraid of heights, you can climb the towers if you want. If you don't have to climb them. There's the various disciplines that they offer you in the type of work. You work on your hands. You can work with computers. You can be in a clean environment. You can be in the grind, in the dirt. So all the avenues of the FAA offer are there for everyone. After we do graduate and we get picked up, we'll be sent out to Oklahoma. That's their academy out there, and we get trained in all the systems and the equipment that they'll be using, they'll be teaching us. And you get constantly trained. Every time something new comes up, you get flown back out, or taught at your location through on-the-job training through a former technician that already is skilled in that discipline.